Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming at you guys again with another video. And today, listen, I hope you guys enjoyed that last list video. A lot of you guys seem to really like it. And if you haven't catched it yet, yo, after this video gets done, go peep that. Listen, today we're taking it very easy on the Bacardi. No Bacardi bull at all today on this video, but I gotta say shouts out to the Finesse gang. Those who get here early, subscribe, finesse the bell, leave a like, and drop a comment early on in the video, and you might see your name up and down the screen right here, right next to me. Now today, we have a triple unboxing. First off, I got this big box back here that was just a surprise package that showed up to the crib. Second off, we got a restock. I've been waiting to get this shoe. There was a restock I copped off a Foot Locker, and we're gonna get into that. And last but definitely not least, I bit the bullet, bruh. I went ahead and I spent the money to get this shoe early just so I could get the review for you guys out early as possible. And the review will be dropping tomorrow, but today I want to unbox them and get a first look because it's a shoe I've been very excited to see, a shoe I'm very excited about, and maybe the most hyped release at this year at this point, or the second most hyped release at this point this year. And man, I really hate that they got so hyped and the prices went so high up on them and I had to drop some bread, but I wanted them. I wanted to help you guys out as well because I think after they drop, the resale might go down. It might be a little bit easier to get, but we won't know that until they actually drop. Also wanted to give a quick shout out to Angel. He copped a jersey off of Bulls Bodega. I'll be shipping that off today. But listen guys, let me run to the post office. Let me pick up these shoes real quick, and then we're gonna come back and unbox everything. So triple unboxing, a restock, and an early sneaker pickup. You know what? Let's get it. Let's stop talking. Let's get it.
One eternity later.
Alright y'all, so we are back. Still gonna be a triple unboxing, but I did not anticipate having all these extra boxes show up. So a couple of these we're gonna get into in the clothing haul videos gonna be coming up. I'm waiting for some stuff to come in. But for today, like I said, we're gonna focus on this box, not this box too, not this one, and then the main one. The main guy is this, and you already see the stripes on the box, so y'all might have an idea what I got. So first things first, we're gonna get into this big surprise special box right here. So I'm gonna try to cut my, not try to cut my eyes out, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this first one. I usually, you know, throw in a little montage, but today I was trying to do an old school unboxing. Now this might not be the best box, especially when I don't have a tall table, but we got the suitcase, we got another box, so at least I can stack it on something. So let's go ahead and get into this one and see exactly what we got. It's a big box. It was from Champs, and I think I already know what this is by the time y'all seen it, but blam, y'all see it, big box, got the paper on the inside, and I can't even take the paper out, can't even take the bubbles out without actually taking out the actual full package. So there it is, and we don't need that anymore. So here is the box right here, big Champs logo on the side. I'm assuming I got two pairs, RS0. This is the Puma RS0. I actually don't have this model yet, and it actually came with two slide outs. So we got the red as well as the yellow, and it does have, oh shit, yo, all right. so I thought it was two pairs of shoes, but it isn't, and we're gonna get into the bottom of this one. But on the top we have these right here. They say level up, the Puma RS0, and then blam, we pull this up off the top. Yo, packaging is crazy on these, and once again, yo, Champs, Puma, appreciate y'all. Haven't had a chance to actually try these out yet, and hold on, my name. They even have my name on the card. The RS0 Play sneakers are a modern update to Puma's breakthrough running system RS. Inspired by 1980s video games, this fun pack plays with pops of bold color and translucent details to create eye-catching and dynamic sneakers from your friends at Champs and Puma. Thank you. They even went through the trouble to put my name on the card, so I appreciate that. So boom, the Puma RS0, blam, y'all see these, and they actually came with a tee in here as well. So shouts out to Puma, shouts out to Champs, appreciate y'all. And actually fuck with this tee as well. It's got the retro vibe to it. So blam, Puma RS0. So that's just the top, you know what I mean? That's just the top of the pack. And then if you get into the actual bottom, this is what surprised me. I was not expecting to see this when I actually slid this out. They actually sent me a Sega Genesis Mini. And I actually used to own the original Sega Genesis. I even had that little extra cartridge, and man, they got Sega Genesis, Sega Sonic 2. I had both of those games. Did not own Shinobi or Phantasy Star. I had Golden Axe, and I also had, I remember playing, I think, Sonic Pinball a lot on the Sega Genesis, and maybe, I want to say they had a Contra on the Genesis as well, but they actually sent me the mini Sega Genesis console. So this is like literally the last thing I was actually expecting on here. And they got Mortal Kombat. It's a whole bunch of games. Oh, Sonic Spinball is back here, bro. Sonic Spinball. I used to play that a lot. Sonic and Knuckles. Yo, is this the one with Chameleon Kid? Was Chameleon Kid on the Genesis? I don't know. Yes! Kid Chameleon. That will be played. That will be being played for sure. Sorry I'm getting so hyped over old games. But yeah, shouts out to Puma, shouts out to Champ, shouts out to Sega. Got the mini Sega Genesis, and I'll probably hook this one up in the living room. But appreciate you. That was a dope. Yeah, I did not expect all that in the first package, but hey, that's what we got. So the first pack is out of the way. Let's get into this next one. Now, this one was a pickup, and I believe it was Sneaker Steals, Kicks Deals, might have been Sneaker Shouts. Any of those guys, if you want to be up on restocks, follow them on Twitter. Turn on the post notifications. Yes, your shit will get blown up, but they put you up on a restock that you have been looking for a while. I missed these on the first initial restock, and this time, nah, I was not gonna miss it this time. I had to get them. I hopped on it extremely early and got these bad boys for retail, and I've been wanting a double up for these for a while. And y'all know the original pair of these that I got, I had to go all the way to Hong Kong to get them. Got some stuff from Foot Locker on the inside there, and let's go ahead, let's get into it. Now the box did get hit a little bit. The box got some dimples on the side, you feel me, and not the good kind. But the Nike Air Max 97 OG Quick Strike USD retail 170, one of the best sneakers for spring and summer in my opinion, and this is in the metallic gold pair. So yes, got that delayed W once again for retail. I'll be trying to tell y'all, if y'all need restocks, bro, Sneaker Steals, Kicks Deals, Sneaker Shouts. Bland. Those are the ones I can think of off the top of my head right now, and I definitely know there's more. But like I was saying, bruh, I missed the initial restock of these. I think I was either out of town or I was just sleeping. I'm pretty sure I woke up late, I was sleeping, I was being lazy, and I missed the second restock. But I'm just glad to actually have another pair of these full retail, because the first pair I think I spent $225 for in Hong Kong, $225, $230, and I thought they were $160, but I didn't know they were $170. But at the end of the day, listen, I was gonna buy them regardless. So yes, I have the double up, the Nikes, the metallic 97s, Heat sneaker right here. One of my best sneakers of last year, and one of the best sneakers of all time, especially in this gold colorway. So I went ahead and doubled up on those. Now this last box, I bit the bullet like I said, and I'm gonna tell y'all how much I spent for them. Blam, here is the box. Shouts out to the homie Nike Fiendin, as well as Cam down there in Texas. I got these overnighted, and I spent 400 and how much? 420 something, 434. I think exactly on PayPal to have these overnighted to my house from Texas, and I just needed them, bro. I really should have bought these a lot earlier. I'm kind of kicking myself because the prices just went up and up and up, and I think after these release, the prices are gonna go back down to a more reasonable resale price, and definitely one of the most hyped sneakers right now, bro. People are hyping these up. I guess I'm hyping them up too. It is what it is, but I just wanted to get my pair, and I didn't feel like waiting, so I did what I had to do. And this thing is, whoa, dude, whoa. Whole stack almost fell. Here is the box right here. Finally, after waiting and waiting for them to official release, I spent $400 on them early like an idiot, but hey, at least I got them. You feel me? At least I got them. The Nike React Element 87 in Sail Light Bone in a size 12. Yes, I told y'all I wasn't gonna talk about these until I had them, and bam, I got them now, so I can talk about them. And upon first looks, they are just as fire as they are in the IG photos, even with the filters on them. I'm really digging this shoe right here, especially this colorway. The blacks are cool, but I think this colorway and Sail and Red, crazy. But let me just switch up the angles real quick so I can give you guys a good first look and just some details that I'm noticing just seeing the shoe right here, and then we can go ahead and get up out of here. And here it is, bruh, the sneaker that everyone is talking about, the Element React 87. And I just wanted to give some quick thoughts and just a quick close-up of the sneaker because, of course, I need to work on the review tomorrow. So, the Element 87, obviously, you guys look at the upper, and one of the strongest things about this, one of the strongest aspects of it is this translucent upper. If you guys have the Zoom Fly, or if you've ever seen the Zoom Fly, you're gonna be very familiar with the DNA of this sneaker right here. Now, it isn't just all translucent panels. There is some leather on the top, or some synthetic leather up here. You also have some nice suede on the eyelets as well, but for the most part, it is that translucent material all around the shoe. There's even a little suede hit here in the back with the Nike swoosh, which is a nice touch. Now, I have some paper in here right now just to keep the shape of the sneaker, but if you take the paper out, you can really see that see-through feel on the sneaker. As you just look, you guys can see that orange peeking through from the bottom, the actual insole, which is another one of my favorite things, is this cork insole with the huge orange Nike swoosh on it. Got your sizing label on the actual footbed. Slide this back in, and there's also some 3M accenting on the laces as well. I really like this asymmetric offset tongue you have on the shoe as well. The right side is really flared out. The left, you got that React logo, and overall it's just a super clean sneaker, an easy to wear sneaker, seeing that it's all white. Even the black pair might be even easier. And the main thing with this sneaker, the main strength, I think, is just the ability to change the color scheme. It is an off-white and red sneaker, but hey, let's say you throw on some blue socks, let's say you throw on some, I don't know, red socks, whatever, you throw on the socks and you can actually see it through the top of the sneaker. You want to throw on green socks, red socks, yellow socks, whatever you want to do, blam, that gives you the ability to change how the sneaker actually looks. And that's one of the strongest things about the sneaker, and I think people are going to really have fun with that if they're actually able to grab a pair, because it feels like these are going to be pretty limited, at least the first run. I think as more and more colorways come out, it's going to get more and more of a GR sneaker, and we already know the game, you know what I mean? It's a limited sneaker at first, then they drop a million colorways, it gets the buzz, then they drop a million pairs, then the buzz dies, then the sneaker dies. But I think this is going to have some better staying power than some of the other recent sneakers that we've seen so far. And that is a wrap for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Review coming for these tomorrow ASAP. Rockington, I know I've been slacking. The review is on its way for this sneaker right here. These are actually dropping on Friday. I got them a couple days early, but I'm fucking with them, and I will have that review up for you guys ASAP, like I just said. But much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah blah. Of course, wait, what am I doing on the phone for? I got the shoe right here. Bullet RC, and I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all let me know, what was your favorite pickup from this video? Was it the old school Sega, the Pumas, the Golds, or the Element Reacts? Man, this is one of the most hyped and at the same time most overhyped sneakers of the year for sure. But I paid $400 for them, so I guess I need to just shut the fuck up. So that's it. I'm out of here. Peace.